Hey everyone. Some of you have been asking me, what's up with those air duster things, man? Are we going to get those anytime soon? Are we, still shipping those? What you doing with those? I have an update, finally, from our manufacturing plant, because as you know, we did place the order for those gas bottles, the pre-filled r134a canisters for red team entry teams. They are producing them. They literally sent me footage. You can see them happening right here. So the gas bottles are being made. This footage is from last month. They said they expect to ship basically today. Well, a week ago, they said we're going to be shipping them in a week. So cool, I think. I will be reaching out to them, double checking. Obviously, this is not coming on an airplane. They're compressed gas. So they're going to slow boat their way here. We wanted these by Defcon. We might have them in our possession by Defcon. I don't know if you'll get them in the mail before Defcon. Were a lot of you thinking of taking these to Defcon? I don't know. We weren't like selling them at Defcon or anything. We're going to be having them at our Red Team Alliance headquarters in Vegas. Do you know we have the headquarters in Vegas? I think I showed you some footage of that. Those of you who know us well enough to actually know who we are, like if you work with us, if you've been a student of ours, we are doing an open house, well, it's not an open house if not anybody can come. We are doing a soiree, a get-together, a shindig, a hootenanny, a box social. That will be Thursday. I think Thursday the 10th is in between Black Hat and Defcon. So Thursday evening, we're going to have some drinks, some hors d'oeuvres, some tours, a lot of just fun stuff going on over there. You'll also probably see us at Black Hat, at Defcon, running a bunch of games, contests, etc. But as far as the canisters and the air dusters, yes, all still happening. In fact, I know a lot of you have done the pre-order, right? Some of you from overseas. You can't get these overseas, remember. So we will have to be like, hey, lol, sorry, please don't do that. We're gonna give your money back if you order them overseas. These are domestic only. But the spray nozzles, right? You've been all, ooh, Mark 1, Mark 2. I'm gonna let you in a little secret. There's a Mark 3 coming out soon. We're always working on ways to make that seal a little better so you don't get leaks out the bottom when you're spraying this gas. If you ordered the Mark 2, by the way, you're not getting burned. We're literally gonna go through our orders and give everyone who ordered the Mark II basically a free Mark III. We'll figure it out, a way to do that. It's going to be a much smaller upgrade part. It's a minor upgrade, but I think it'll tighten up the seal even better. And yeah, just exciting times, right? We're going to, you've seen, we've got the little on-off switchy valve. That's still working. But these are not for travel in a suitcase, right? So if you pick these up from us in Vegas or from the website that we will not name, you're not going to be taking these in your suitcase sealed like that. This is just for entry teams, professionals, using them on jobs, when you need them in your pocket, you need them in your gear bag. Once we get the final finished products, expect to see these showing up in Red Team Alliance classes, in our field activity training days. I'm really excited about them, and I just love all of you who've been following the project, not just the canister project, but all of the tools and designs and concepts that are all just stuck up in my friggin' head, and I just got to get them out, right? So again, huge thanks to all my team, both like Bobak, Drew, everyone at headquarters, but also we've got like the design team. We've got the mics, we've got other people who are doing 3D printing, machining, everyone who helps us make new things. We're really proud to make what we make, a lot of it made here in the US from our own producers and our own teams, our own shops and labs. Thank you for being part of this journey of just getting ideas off of my brain space and off of paper and into the real world. It's a real thrill. I thank you for being part of it. Giveaway this week, right? I'm going to give away a set of these. They come in multi-packs. I will figure out a way to do it. And if you are domestic, right, I'll just reach out to you. If you've seen this, right? The URL, you can sign up. If you're not on the list already, I think most of you are at this point. It's a long list. But every time I reach out, I love hearing back from people like, oh my God, I can't believe I won something. I never won anything. Yeah, that's why I do this stuff. Remember, we can't ship these internationally. So if you are an international person and I pull your name, I'll let you know. And I'll be like, can I send you some stickers or a discount card or something? I don't know. We'll figure it out. But that's the update this week. I know I will be at Black Hat. I'll be at Defcon. I'll be all around Vegas for quite a while. We'll be in Vegas after Defcon, obviously, running our flipper class. So many exciting things, so much coming up, and I am thrilled to be able to tell you about it. I love all the feedback. I love all of you giving me new ideas, new concepts, new things to try. Yes, I swear to God, I'm going to do the Q&A video soon. So many of you have written in with questions. I've been busy talking elsewhere, right? Like I was on Darknet Diaries, I was on A Better Way 2A, the Second Amendment podcast recently. I'll link all that down in the Whoozy Doozy down below. And that's about it for me, right? Thanks for keeping me happy. I'm busy, but I'm happy. I hope at least that much can be said of all of you. I'm happy, I'm healthy. Oh, here's the thing. Maybe I'll do a video just about this, a quickie video in advance of Defcon, though. How are you staying healthy at Defcon and Black Hat in Vegas, right? We're not really doing a lot of masking and stuff in the spaces anymore. I mean, they've got the new air filters, but I am really into something called Enovid. If you don't know what Enovid, someone tell me how it's pronounced in the comments. But I'll do a video about it. If you don't know about it, learn about it. The antiviral nose spray, good for much more than just COVID. The results are really promising. It's very cool. It's sort of like wearing a mask, like a single layer mask. Like if you want a double mask, you can just use nose spray and then single layer mask. There's a lot of promise to it, but do your own, reading. I'm going to talk about what I've learned. My friends who are way smarter than me, my friends smarter than me are the ones I trust. And they're the ones who are like, no, this is some real good shit. You should check it out. I've ordered mine in time for DEF CON. And maybe if you all want to order from, I don't sell this stuff. It's sold from Israel. But if you're interested in Enovid, I'll link to that. I'll link to the articles about it down below. If you're trying to stay safe, watch out for each other at DEF CON and Black Hat and elsewhere, something worth considering maybe. All right. In the meantime, that's the update this week. Lots more coming for you, and I will see many of you in Vegas, if not elsewhere. But in the meantime, just, stay safe out there.